Welcome guys. This is a particular precaution that you actually need to watch out while mining on your PC. So this happens a lot. It has been common on this particular laptop, but on the other device it doesn't do that. So just in case for your situation, if you are experiencing this, you should actually watch out. So what I'm trying to say is, when you are mining on your device, it will always crash. In a while it will stop mining, and when it stop mining, it's going to show, if you try to open it, it's going to show an information like srb .ex is not recognized as an internal or external command. So problem, operation, program, or batch file. Now press any key to continue. Now if you press any key, it's going to close. This is the reason why the antivirus automatically deletes this particular file every time it comes up. And even though you come to this antivirus area, you will notice that the antivirus is disabled, but it actually enables itself and pretend as if it's disabled. Now you can clearly see it saying turn on, and this is your antivirus. This is all a lie because it came on itself without me enabling it. This is so annoying. So if you click on manage setting, you can see right there it's actually enabled, and this stuff right here is pretending as if it's turned on and I should enable it, which is very funny. So all you need to do is close it or turn it off and then say yes. It always comes back on itself automatically. So there is actually what you need to do. Let me go ahead and show you guys the step. So first, go ahead and recopy the folder of the extracted file where you have the SBS miner, this particular file right here. Copy it and then go to your desktop where you have your mining folder right there, and then you paste it. Right now you can start mining, but before you start mining, open the antivirus again so that we will avoid this issue from repeating in the future. Although it might still happen, but it's going to be rare. So make sure you do this. So you go to the manage settings right here and you scroll down a little bit. You notice where it says add or remove, no, not this one, both of them anyway, both of them. There are two different, one is for the folder, one is for, okay, sorry, that is the exact file. Add or remove exclusive. Just click on that. I did not finish reading. So click on exclusion. The first one is the file. So we click on file and we go to the desktop. This is already on the desktop. Go to the desktop, we click on the folder, and this is the application that it keep removing. So we click on it, and then you have added it here, which is going to exclude it, which is under the exclusion. It's going to exclude it the next time it's trying to remove application. And then you click on this area again and you select folder. So we are telling it to exclude that particular folder from checking if maybe it's harmful or not. So we have actually excluded those two folders and the application. So we close it. Hopefully next time it's no longer going to happen. Now go ahead and start your mining application. This happens every time. Most times whenever it happens, you might not even notice. You might think your device is mining, but if you look very close to the bottom, you are going to notice where it says press any key to continue. Immediately you press that, you will notice that it's no longer going to mine. It's going to close the application, and when you open it the next time, it's going to show you the previous information that it showed to me, and it will never mind. It will tell you to press any key to continue. Whenever you do press any key, it's going to like close the application, and that is what it keep doing. So I hope this video is helpful. If you have any other question, leave it on the comment section. I will see you guys on the next one.